welcome or welcome back. My name's Kendra. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and be part of the Ray Yoga community. Today's yoga class is a yoga routine you can do after the gym. So if you've been working out hard at the gym or wherever you work out, then this yoga class is a great thing to do after your workout. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Let's start on our hands and knees in the tabletop position. Allow the knees to be a little bit wider than hip width apart. Take the hands towards the top of your mat. Inhale fully. Exhale, press the sitting bones back towards the heels. Allow the forehead to rest onto the floor. Or you can place the forehead on a block or a blanket. And take a moment here to begin to deepen your breath. Allowing the inhalation and exhalation to become nice and long. Maybe you let the eyes close completely or the gaze can be soft. Softening the face, soften the back of the neck. Slowly walk the hands towards the left side of your mat. Allow the forehead to follow. A nice curve in the body here. Keep settling the sitting bones back. Reaching the arms forward, grounding deeply into the palms. Exhale, slowly walk the hands back through center. Take 2 breaths here. And slowly walk the hands towards the right side of your mat, allowing the forehead to follow. Keep lengthening the arms forward, inviting the sitting bones back, feeling a curve in the torso. Taking a couple deep full breaths here. Inhale, come back through center. Good, and slowly come all the way back up onto the hands and knees into the tabletop position. Allow the knees to be stacked underneath the hips. The knees are hip width apart, palms stacked underneath the shoulders. Good. Keep the gaze looking down towards the mat. The back of the neck is nice and long. Inhale. Exhale, press the sitting bone back towards the right heel. Move the sit bones towards the left heel. Bring the weight forward into the left hand, right hand, and back again. So we're making a nice big circle with the entire body, moving slowly. And with your breath, start to notice the connection to your breath and your movement. So maybe you play with inhaling one half of the circle, exhaling the other half. And you can even play with going the opposite way with the circle. Amazing. Pausing at center. Tucking your toes. Grounding deeply into the hands, especially the pointer finger and the thumb. A small core engagement here, hugging the navel in towards the spine, nice and gently. Inhale, lift the knees a couple inches off of the mat. Exhale, pike your hips, come into your downward dog. So you're moving the hips up towards the ceiling. The feet are hip width apart. Heels are either grounded on the mat or they're slightly lifted off of the mat like me. And you can keep a slight bend in the knees. Inviting the top of the chest towards the top of the thighs. Soften the tops of the shoulders, the back of the neck, keeping space in between the arms and the ears. And then as you feel your foundation of your downward dog, come back to your breath. Inhale, look in between the hands. Step the right foot forward. Pressing back through the left heel. Right knee stacked on top of the right ankle. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release the left knee onto the mat. Untuck the toes of the left foot. Heel toe the right foot towards the right side of your mat. Grounding the hands onto the floor. Inhale, find length in the spine. Exhale, see if you can settle the hips down. Take 2 breaths here. Okay, now ground the left palm onto the mat or the left knuckles, like you can make a fist and place the knuckles onto the mat, whatever feels best for you. And then as you inhale, lift the right arm up towards the ceiling, opening up the chest. Exhale, right arm down towards the mat. Ground the palms. Heel toe the right foot back towards the middle of the mat. Tuck your left toes, lift the left knee off the floor. Ground the palms, step the right foot back to meet the left. Find your plank for 1 breath. Exhale, pike your hips, downward dog. When you get back into your downward dog, you can pedal the feet, releasing one heel, lifting the other. Inhale, look in between the hands, step the left foot forward. Pressing back through the right heel, left knee stacked on top of the left ankle. Exhale, release the right knee onto the mat, untuck the right toes. Inhale, find length. Exhale, heel toe the left foot towards the left side of your mat, grounding the palms onto the floor. Maybe you stay right here, or you can ground the right hand onto the mat or the right fist. Inhale, lift the left arm up towards the ceiling, twisting the spine, opening up the chest. The gaze can look up towards the ceiling, or the gaze can look down towards the floor. Find what feels best for your neck. Take 1 more breath. Exhale, release the left hand onto the mat. Heel toe the left foot back towards the center of your mat. Ground the palms. Inhale, tuck the right toes, lift the right knee off of the mat. Step the right foot forward to meet the left. Forward fold. Allow the torso to fold forward over the legs. You can sway the hips from left to right. Pausing at center. Grounding deeply into the feet, and nice and slow, roll the torso all the way up into standing. Good, feel the spine rolling up. And the head is the last thing to come up. Awesome, when you get there, take a moment to pause, arms lengthening down towards your torso. Turn the palms to face forward. Take 2 breaths. Inhale, lift the arms up overhead. Exhale, fold forward over the legs. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Bend the knees as much as you have to ground the hands onto the mat. Step the right foot back, and then the left foot back. Exhale, release both knees. Untuck your toes. Sit back onto the heels. Good, and then move the feet out of the way and sit down onto your glutes. Take the legs out in front of you. Good, move the flesh of the glutes out of the way so that you can feel your sitting bones grounding on the mat. Allow the feet to be flexed, all the toes are pointing up towards the ceiling. Take the hands behind you, ground the fingertips or the palms onto the mat. Use the hands to help lengthen the spine. Good, staying right here, or as you exhale, slowly take the torso forward, folding it over the legs, and pausing right when you start to feel a stretch in your calves and in your hamstrings. For me, I do not have to go very far to feel that. So find that in your body. And right when you start to feel the stretch, pause and breathe deeply. You can keep the hands where they are, or take the hands on top of the shins, or maybe they grab the toes or on top of the thighs. Again, find the version of this posture for your body. So wherever you are, pausing, breathing, feeling. Notice any areas of the body that you can soften. Maybe it's the face, the shoulders. Keep flexing the feet. Take 2 more breaths. As you inhale nice and slow, come all the way back up. Cross the right leg over the left, ground the right foot onto the mat. Keep the left foot flexed. Wrap the left arm around the right knee. Take the right hand out behind you, ground the right fingertips. Inhale, find length in the spine. Exhale, slowly and gently twisting the torso towards the right. Working on the belly button, rib cage, chest, all twisting. Keep grounding both sitting bones onto the mat. Couple deep, full breaths here. Exhale, unwind, come back through center. Uncross the right leg from the left, shake out the legs. Great, and then cross the left leg over the right, ground the left foot onto the mat. Wrap the right arm around the left knee, take the left hand out behind you, ground the left palm or fingertips onto the mat. Before you start to twist, inhale, find length, and then as you exhale, gently twisting towards the left. Good, breathing deeply, keep grounding into both sitting bones. Exhale, come back through center. When you get there, uncross the left leg from the right. Scooch the sitting bones towards the front of the mat and slowly come all the way onto your back. When you get there, hug the knees in towards the chest. You can even rock from side to side. Pausing at center, release the left leg all the way down onto the mat. Clasp the hands on top of the right shin. Allow the feet to be flexed. Inhale. Exhale, gently draw the right knee in towards the chest. Exhale, slowly release the right leg all the way down to meet the left. Inhale, bend the left knee. Clasp the hands on top of the left shin, keep the feet flexed. Exhale, gently draw the left knee in towards the torso. Next time you exhale, release the left leg all the way down to meet the right. Release the arms down towards your torso, turn the palms up to face the ceiling. Allow the eyes to close or the gaze is soft. Giving yourself a moment to rest here. Give yourself time, give yourself permission to rest. Take as much time as you need here. And whenever you're ready, you can move back into your day or evening. Thanks so much for joining me.